You may have a problem such as advertising access permanently restricted. After a requested review of your Facebook account, we confirmed it didn't comply with our advertising policies or other standards. You can no longer advertise using Facebook products. This is our final decision. This is a very disturbing news, especially if you have been advertising and if your business depends on Facebook ads to sell. And so when you get something like this, you don't even know the next step to take. And it looks like that is the end to your business. But I'm here to tell you that there are more options for you to go. And so by the time you would have finished watching this video, you could get a solution to your problem. Now, if there is a problem that you're going through, what exactly do you do? First of all, you have to understand probably why your account was restricted. The number one reason why Facebook will restrict your account is maybe you violated a policy. So policy violation is one of the reasons why they will restrict your account. Number two, they could restrict your account for having multiple accounts. So for multiple accounts, some of you create one Facebook account and you create another one and create another one. There are some people who have as many as 3 or 4 Facebook accounts and they create it for fun. Maybe when they have one account, the next time they buy a new phone and they forget the old password, they create another account. It is against Facebook policies. As a user of Facebook, you must have only one Facebook account. So the two major reasons why your account may be restricted is, one, you have violated Facebook policies. And I want you to take time and read this whole article. You can check the URL, transparency.facebook.com/policies/ad-standards. And you can take time and go through the whole of that article. I will leave the link in the description and you can read the whole of that article to understand the Facebook policies, all the policies of Facebook that you need to follow in order not to violate anything. Take time and read all of those policies to understand more so that in future, your advertising access will not be permanently restricted, just like what you're saying here. Okay. So after you are done with that, after you take time and read that and know that now. So that is one of the reasons why your advertising access may be restricted. The second one is that you're using multiple accounts. The multiple accounts still fall under the violation of policies. But that one, it is not directly a violation of advertising policy. So that one could be like a violation of Facebook terms of service. Okay. But that is one major thing that could also lead to your account being restricted. The third one is by mistake. As Facebook is, as their system continues to scan, and as Facebook functions, the system continues to scan and to make sure that fraudulent activities or activities that are not in compliance with Facebook terms of service and the advertising policies, they make sure they disable those accounts. Okay, so what they do is that they could be scanning along and the system may suspect, the algorithm or the artificial intelligence may suspect something wrong or some unusual activity, and they think that they should disable you and you appeal for them to really verify to make sure you are not violating a policy. So it could be disabled by mistake. I can say that over 80% or 70% of Facebook restrictions are by mistake. That's why 95% of the appeals I make, I'm able to reinstate the account. Now, so you can follow that option. Okay. So what I mean is that if your account is restricted by mistake, you could appeal and get it reinstated. However, if you make a mistake and you don't follow the right policies and you appeal and your account is permanently restricted, just like what you are seeing. For example, someone maybe the person is trying to appeal and didn't use the ID that he or she used. The name on it doesn't match with the name he or she is using on Facebook, or the birth date is not matching with the birth date that is being used on the Facebook account. And when you are appealing, they will not tell you that your name must match. So at the end of the day, you submit an ID card and the account is permanently restricted. So it is always so disturbing. I will help you what to do to avoid this next time and how to be able to get back to advertise. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell as we are doing more videos every day and every week to help you get a lot of techniques that will help you to advertise and in order to avoid violations of Facebook policies and then make more sales online. So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So now I'm going to show you if your account is restricted, you can create a new account. You can create a new account that follows Facebook advertising policies. And how do you do that? I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how you can create an account from beginning to end and use that account to advertise, and such an account will follow Facebook policies. As I told you earlier on, it is against Facebook to have multiple accounts. So my best advice would be if you can even get a client, if you can get a relative, if you can get a relative account to use to advertise, that could be good. However, in some cases, you know very well that you didn't violate any policy and they mistakenly disable your account and permanently restricted it. So in that case, you may need a second account that can help you advertise. And I want you to do it with a good heart. If you don't have any intention to violate policies or to use it for any fraudulent activities, and your main purpose is to advertise, you can follow a step-by-step process to create an account that you can use it to advertise, and it follows Facebook advertising policies. Some people may even go to the extent of deleting their account and creating another one. Well, you can leave it. You can leave your current account. You may also delete it if you so wish, and then follow the step-by-step process to create an account that follows Facebook advertising policies. But you don't necessarily need to delete the old account. You may leave it and still use this one. This one, the account that is permanently restricted can be there, and you use it maybe for, you still have friends there and other people. Then you have this account that can help you advertise. Now, if you follow this video to the end and you don't get help, please contact us. We'll be able to book a Zoom meeting with you, help you set up your account so that you can advertise without any restrictions. Our intention is to help you here to be able to lift all those advertising restrictions legally, pass through the right procedures to get reinstated. We can help you get reinstated. We can help you set up your new account. We can help look at your account, whatever problem may be there. We'll help you amend, solve those problems. Now, if you are doubting some of the help or what we can do for you, you can take a look at those testimonies you are seeing on the screen. These are people who work for in the US, Canada, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nigeria, Finland, and the UK. There are many of them. You can take them just to look at these few ones. Okay, now let's go into the account creation process. We're going to create an account that will help you to advertise. So let's take a look at this step-by-step procedure. Follow it to the latter, and you will get your advertising access. You'll be able to advertise again. I'm going to take you through this step. So let's go into detail. So first of all, you may need to create you may need to create an email address or phone. You may need a phone number or need to create an email address, a new email address, which you have not used for Facebook before. Okay, so I'm going to log out of this account. Now, if you are creating an account, you just have to, for those of you who may not know, you come to this interface, just type facebook.com. And when you type that, they will ask you to create an account. So you click on create account, and then you need to put your information here. Then you have to put an email address. you need to put your email address. For some security reasons, I'm blurring some of the things out. For security reasons, I'm blurring some of the things out. This is a real account I'm creating for one of my clients. And I'm just using it as an opportunity to take you through a step-by-step process of how to do it. Create a strong password. Then you put in your birth date. And after that, after you put all that information, you sign up. It wasn't successful. So I'm taking time to create the account again. Okay. Great. So the account has been created. We need to take time to make sure we customize the account. Okay, so we need to put profile picture. And a cover photo. and then complete our profile. Okay, so after you've entered the necessary information that you need to put, you have to use the account, okay? You don't just jump in and start creating an advert. If you do that, Facebook will flag the account as violating their terms, or they will suspend it. Because what happens is, the only circumstance under which you will just create an account and start advertising is if you have been disabled. So that is why you have to use the account. You can use it for even a month. You can use it for 3 weeks. You can use it for 2 months before you use it to advertise. You don't just jump in and start using it to advertise. Other than that, you will have a problem. So this is exactly what you need to do. And take time, be interactive, use the account. If you use the account and one day you really want to now use it to advertise, you may not have a problem. And remember to have the identity card, so that in case the account is suspended, you can present a proof of the ID and they will reinstate it for you. Because when you create it and within a month or less and you are going to advertise, you may definitely get a problem. But you have to, in case they disable it, present proof of identity and then your account will get reinstated. If you take time to do this, indicate all your hobbies, follow some few pages, but I don't advise you to follow many pages at the same time. Just take time, follow maybe 1 or 2 pages from time to time, follow pages small. Be interactive. Just use the account as a normal account. Don't try to hasten things, try to do so many things at the same time. If not, you will get banned or restricted again. If you take time to follow this, you'll be able to come back to advertise. Thank you. And when you are even having problem creating business manager and all that, as I told you earlier, contact us and we'll help you. Once again, have a great day and bye-bye.